Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video, we are diving deep into Navy Federal Credit Union Pledge Loan. This is a hidden gem for those looking to boost their credit score and secure funding without typical loans constraints. We will cover everything from how to get approved to leveraging this product for maximum results, so let's get into it. Navy Federal Credit Union, known for its strong community and member benefits, offer the pledge loan as secure personal loan option. This means you can borrow against your own money deposited into Navy Federal account, making it easier to get approved since the loan is back up by your savings, basically back up by your own money. You pledge the money, so you pledge the money in your savings account as collateral on a loan. As the loan balance reduces during the repayments, the pledge amount in savings reduce as well. So you do continue earning dividends on any amounts from savings pledge loan collateral on the loan as usual. So that's a good deal. Getting approved for a pledge loan at Navy Federal Credit Union is straightforward because it's secure. You will need to have the Navy Federal membership, which is open to military members, veterans, and their families in direct related associated. There isn't a strict minimum credit score since basically your loan is secured by your savings or your own money, which is a good deal. But good financial standing can help you secure better terms. So Navy Federal Credit Union has an internal score. So basically, depend on how you behave or your behavior with your Navy's federal accounts, it might help you a better standing or getting a better interest rate. So the interest rate on pledge loans are highly competitive with them. That's really great. This is one of the institutions that I recommend you to do these type of loans. This is often lower than unsecured loans because the risk of the credit unions is reduced because what I just said before, that is against your own money. So they are not putting anything from the bank, not borrowing exactly money from the bank. They are basically borrowing your own money. So be aware that Navy Federal usually typically pulls from Equifax for credit decisions. So make sure your report is up to date and accurate. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification. That way you can get notified when I upload a video and you can enjoy the content. And don't forget to join my free VIP group for more insider tips and community support. I will leave the link in the description box below. Continue with the subject. One of the biggest advantage of the pledge loans is the ability to help you build or rebuild your credit. Since the loan is reported to the credit bureaus as a regular personal loan, consistent one-time payments can significantly improve your credit score. This is a great and excellent strategy for those people that are looking to establish solid credit history without the high stake of insecure debts. To maximize the benefit, start with borrowing a small amount that you can comfortably repay. Keep the funds in your Navy Federal saving accounts as collateral and set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. Over time, consider increasing the loan amount as your financial stability improves, further enhancing your credit worthiness. While the pros of pledged loans includes low interest rates and credit improvements, the cons involve typing up your savings as collateral and the potential risk if you fail to make payments. However, with careful planning and disciplined repayment, the benefit can far outweigh the risk. So how I will do it? I will get at least 5,000 as minimum. If you can put more than that, maybe 10,000, even more. So just contact Navy Federal. Just let them know that you wanna get a pledge loan with them for that amount that you have available. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna have that money in your savings account. You're gonna have the money in the account. You're gonna say this is the amount that I want. So they're gonna basically take the money, they're gonna put it they're gonna kind of take the money as put it away and put it in a certificate or something like that. That way they can secure that amount, because basically you are borrowing your own money. So what they're gonna do is, after a few days, they're gonna give you that money back to you. So they're gonna deposit that money back to your account. And what I will suggest you is, you have to wait. They report to the credit bureaus, in that pledge loan show up in your credit report, all of them. That way it show up as personal loan in there. You're going to have an installment loan on your credit report. And then basically, if you open that pledge loan, let's say for 24 months, which is basically 2 years, and you pay back, and be sure to wait until that the pledge loan is showing on your credit report. Then what you're going to do is going to pay back at least 90% of that loan, meaning $9,000 is gonna go back to that. If if the loan amount is gonna be 10,000, then you're gonna put 9,000 back. You're gonna pay right away after it show up on the credit reports. You're gonna pay back. So what is that gonna be is, like, it's gonna show a good payment history, and it's gonna lower the amount of the monthly payments that you're gonna be paying. And also probably it's gonna prorate that you probably won't have to pay on the first year, let's say that. So it's depend of the arrangement that you're gonna be making with them, but probably you won't have to pay you have to pay a really small amount, because you're already prepaying 90% of the loan, and you're just going to have to pay in a small amount in monthly basis. And sometimes, depending on what you do or the agreement that you have with the bank, you don't have to pay for a while. And then when you start making payments again, it's gonna be a in a small amount too, because basically what you owe is just $1,000. Did you get the point? Because at the end, what you really owe is $1,000. You already repaid the 90% of the loan, so you are good to go. Meanwhile, this is showing really good on your credit. The payment history is showing pretty good. The credit worthiness is going to increase. Everything is going to show up as positive on your credit. So this is a really great strategy to put in place. And even if it's with Navy Federal, even better. That is a wrap on Navy Federal's pledge loan. Whether you are looking to boost your credit, or need a low risk loan, it's a compelling option worth considering. Thank you for watching, and as always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.